Okay, so just wanted to show y'all. This is some nail glue that I put in the package that you will also be receiving, so that you can glue your nail tips on your nails once you prep your nails. Clean your nails first. That's step one in the DIY press-on nail steps. And then prep your nails. And then, so the nail glue, putty. What's putty, you say? I'm going to show you what putty is. So putty, notice that these are this is a nail stand. These are the pawns. And notice that the press-on nails are sticking to the pawns without you having to hold them down or whatever. That way, you know, you can polish, you can design without having to hold the nail tip down itself. Putty is this. These are like pieces, and like these will last you forever because you only need a little bit, right? So you take a little piece like this off of the brick or whatever. And putty is, you can kind of see it. I'm looking through the lens of my phone, y'all. So it's like, okay, so see how I could take the pawn off? You know, if I want to, you know, I want to work with one individual, take the pawn off. And, you know, and then if I want to take that off, that putty, like, which started off like this, you know, you place it on top of here and it sticks. And it lasts for a long time, y'all. Putty lasts for a long time. So this whole stick right here of putty will last you forever. I've probably had it for like a year now. And you know, I've just really just reused it like all the time. Even if I take these off, these nails off, and they're done, and I put them up and set them aside, the putty that's on there, as long as it's still sticking to the pond, it's still good. But like, you know, you don't have to use this whole little block. You can break this a piece. It's like a piece of gum. You can break this a piece. You can kind of smash it down a little bit. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hold on. There it is. There it is. Get it in the frame. There you go. Right there. So like, you can smash it down. It's kind of like Play-Doh a little bit. Play-Doh, whatever. I said Play-Doh. Play-Doh, blah. But anyway, yeah, you can smash it, and then you can put it, okay, hold on. It's sticking to my hand. But like, so like, take this one for instance. And, okay, hold on. Let's just take one. And you put it on there. Okay, yo, this is not supposed to be happening. We're doing all kinds of bloopers and stuff. Where'd it go? I'm trying to bring it back into frame. There you go. So here you go. You stick it on there. You know, just push it on there. There you go. There you go. And then we're gonna take one of these nails off of here. I'm gonna take one of these nails off of here, and we're gonna just stick it to that. And see, it's not going nowhere. A little bit, it is a little bit, but it's sturdy enough where you can, like, it will come up, you know what I'm saying? Which is, you know, because you don't want it to stay on here. You want it to eventually be ready to go on your nails. Okay, y'all, I'm at an awkward angle, so bear with me. And then you put it right there, and boom. Okay, but it's sturdy. Ah! It's sturdy enough where, okay, I'm gonna have to, my little piece came off. You see that? My little ring light piece came off. Oh goodness. Okay, so it's sturdy enough where you can work. Okay, and just to kind of clarify, in an earlier video, this is the one that I had to glue this metal strip back down. And so it should be dry enough, y'all, where I can stick this one to this, and it'll come up, and then the black thing can come up without that coming off because it dried. I fixed it. All right, now let me fix this.